I know it's not that warm, but at least it's sunny. So, I can't remember the last time I was sitting out on a bench in a park. Welcome to Toronto Real Estate Thoughts of the Week. How are you, friends? How are my favorite people here? Listen, I do want to highlight just two things very briefly today. Number one, it has to do with mortgage rates. I've shared with you multiple times that the fixed rates are going up. So please, if you have a family, if you have a loved one that is considering of buying in 2023, check in with a mortgage advisor now, because already the fixed rates, so pay attention to what's happening now. The variable rates are going to remain the same. They're not going to change now. They're not going to change in March. And I don't believe that they're going to change in April or May either. However, the fixed rates, there were some great deals on the fixed rates, which are now still much, much lower than the variable rates, even for 3 years and of course for 5 years. But those deals are going away. Those offers by the banks for lower fixed rates are going away. The rates are already higher now, the fixed ones, compared to last week or the week before that. So please check in, because if you get a pre-approval, if you secure a fixed rate now, even if they go up, you still have it available to you for 4 and sometimes even up to 6 months. So please do yourselves a favor. I want to make sure that you have all the opportunities for you and your loved ones to get the best deals possible out there. So that's number one. Number two, I want to make sure that you're aware of the situation with negotiation when it comes to pre-construction and new builds. There is a level of complexity, and because I've heard some more horror stories recently with people getting a bill for their closing date 30, 60 days before the closing date, that the builder has some additional fees that they are like $70,000, $80,000, which are not covered by the loan, the mortgage. You have to have them available from your own cash, and nobody has this amount of money just sitting around, waiting for it to be used, usually, most of the time. So it's all in the small print. It's all in the negotiation that you do initially. And this is why I advise you to have your own realtor, your own real estate lawyer. Together, they will secure the best negotiation possible from the beginning, so you don't have any surprises down the road. Developers are doing their job, right? Like, they're trying to pass on some of the costs that they have because the costs are increasing. But please make yourselves a favor and work with someone that can help you through the process. That's all for today. Love, like, share, and say yes to life.